everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a watermark from your video for free using Trim Face app. No PC needed, no complicated step, and it's very beginner friendly. So if you are ready, let's get started. First, just open the Trim Face app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, just don't worry, just go to the Play Store and then search for Trim Face and then download it for free. And then after the app is installed, just open it and log in using your Google account. This only takes a few seconds. And then now you are on the TwinFace homepage like this. In here you will see a lot of AI filter like this. And then what you need to do is scroll to the right until you find the options that called Mark Remover, this one. Just tap on it. And then once you see it, just tap on Start with a video. These options will allow you to remove watermarks from the video. Now just upload the video that has the watermark that you want to remove. Just choose the video from your gallery and wait for the upload. And then next just confirm like this and wait for the process. Okay, like this. As you can see, your video will be ready without watermark like this. You can see the difference like this. Before it has watermark and then the watermark gone like this. And okay, maybe that's it. Removing a watermark using TwinFace is super easy and completely free. No advanced editing skills required. And okay, if this video helped you, just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.